Good morning, class. Today we will discuss unit number 8. Be satisfied, be happy. Now, what do you mean by satisfaction? Satisfaction means when one is happy with whatever he is having, along with continuously keep on doing work for completing his desires, but this desire doesn't take the face of a greed, right? When someone is happy internally, he or she is satisfied. Now we will start the chapter. It is true that a successful person should have some desire in life. So what he is saying, that every successful person is having some type of desire. Desire means वो इच्छाएं जो वो पूरी करना चाहता है. Some desires in his life. Otherwise, life will move like an aimless boat and will end up nowhere. Without any dream, without a desire, our life is like a boat who does not know in which direction it has to move, and it is likely to कि वो डूब जाएगी because it doesn't know the way. However, when desire changed into greed, it became it brings along with it lot of suffering and pain. Greed means lalach. जब क्या वो कह रहा है, when our desires change into greed, along with this greed many type of suffering and pain comes in our life, and we are not internally happy once our desires change into greed. One should have the desire to earn more money so that one could improve the standard of life. Along with this, the writer is saying that desires are also necessary. Desire to earn money is very important, because if one will earn money, then only he can improve the standard of his life. Without earning money, he cannot be satisfied, right? Because almost every of our need in today's world, our every need is fulfilled with money. So earning money is a good desire, is a desire for improving our standard of life. But if it change into a greed, then what will happen? But when making money became only a purpose of life, it leads to problem. You must have heard about someone who keep on doing work all his time and keep on earning money, but does not give any importance to his family member and other parts of his life. So if a person became greedy, it brings many type of problems in his life. So to be satisfied means to be happy with what one has. So what he is saying, as we have discussed already, being satisfied means being happy with what we are having, even when one continue to struggle to achieve more. If we are internally happy, I would like to give you one example. If you are happy, you are satisfied, you will always help your friend. If your friend asks you to explain maths question, you will surely help him or her. But if you are greedy, you will not explain them. You must think that I want to achieve first position in the class, so I'm not going to help anyone in his study, otherwise he or she will get more marks than me. So in this way, the desire satisfaction change into a greed. Next is greed leads to danger. Now, how greed became a problem in our life, we will discuss in this story. Once there lived a fox in a forest. The fox was a greedy eater. So what was a fox? Fox liked to eat every time. Whenever he get a chance, he liked to eat. Night and day he eat everything in sight, trying to fill his belly, big round belly. So he was a fatty because he always liked to eat. That's why he keep on eating day and night. One morning the fox met an elephant who was moving up the path. So one morning he met one elephant who was going to upward direction. He suppose he must be on a mountain. So the elephant was going on upward direction. Why are you in hurry? So he asked him a question. Why are you in hurry? I'm going to a feast. Feast means a function, some celebration. So elephant is going to some to for a celebration, for some function. A feast without me, it should never happen in this forest. So what he is thinking, that there is no function in this forest where I hadn't went. ऐसा कोई फंक्शन ही नहीं हुआ यहाँ पे वो नहीं गया हो. हर फंक्शन को उसने, फॉरेस्ट के जितने भी फंक्शन हुए हैं उनको उसने अटेंड किया है. आई हैव नेवर मिस्ड अ फीस्ट सो फार एंड आई वॉन्ट मिस दिस वन टू. एंड ही डोंट वॉन्ट टू मिस दिस feast also. He wants to go there. But yes, then he saw a deer going down the path in the other direction. So at the same time one deer came and he was going to the downward direction. Means there was two feasts in the forest. One was in the upper part and one was in the lower part. I'm going to a feast, the deer declared. So while he was going, he told them that I'm going to a feast. To feast, the fox exclaimed, petting his belly. So while moving his hand on his belly, he was thinking that two functions. How delightful. Then he was confused which will begin first. So after coming to know that there are two functions in the forest, first he was very happy, then he was confused that in which function he should go first. If I go to wrong feast, I might not get anything to eat. So वो क्या सोच रहा है, अगर वो उस फंक्शन में पहले चला गया, गलत फंक्शन में पहले चला गया और उस फंक्शन में उसे खाने के लिए कुछ नहीं मिला तो क्या होगा. द फॉक्स कुड नॉट थिंक ऑफ इट. और वो ऐसा कुछ भी सोचना नहीं चाहता था. So he thought of a plan. He arranged two roofs and tied them around his waist. So another plan came into his mind, and what he did, he brought two roofs and tied it around his waist. Then he called two of his sons, take these thread and hurry to the feast. So what he said them, take these thread and go to the functions. When it's time to eat, pull hard, I will come. So what was his plan? When the eating time will start, you pull the roof hardly and I will come to that direction and will eat food from there. He sent his sons with the end of the roofs in opposite directions. He waited plenty. After some time, one son pulled his thread. So after waiting for a small time, one of the thread pulled him. As he was ready to walk that direction, the other son pulled his thread. So when he was ready to move to the direction from which the first thread was pulled, at the same time the roof of second direction also was being pulled by his other son. Both the sons pulled hard from both the side and the knot became tighter and tighter. और दोनों बच्चों ने क्या किया, थ्रेड को खींचना स्टार्ट कर लिया दोनों डायरेक्शन से, और उससे क्या हुआ, नॉक टाइट होती गई और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा टाइट होती ही गई. Though he cried for help, no one heard him. क्या वो, he was crying for a help, asking other for help, but there was no one to listen him. Finally, he stumbled on the stone and fell down. So finally he lost his balance and fell down. The fox realized greed was dangerous. At that time, the fox realized that it is dangerous to eat more than the required amount. He never had thought of eating anything more than he really required to survive. So after that उसने अपनी लाइफ का ये रूल बना लिया कि उतना ही खाना खाना है जितना कि जिंदा रहने के लिए ज़रूरी है. So eat only that amount of food which is necessary for survival.